In these scenarios, the main objective is to detect and track the spread of a floating and/or evaporating chemical in order to minimize the risk to those who need to intervene. Often it is necessary to verify whether the release of chemicals is real or potential, therefore it may be necessary to carefully inspect the hypothetical source, like chemical ship, chemical plant on land, container dispersed at sea, etc. It is therefore advisable to use multirotor drones to enable stationary observation and inspection of confined spaces, for instance tanks. Regarding the choice of the most suitable sensors, these could vary from specific thermal cameras to hyperspectral sensors or so-called laser gas sniffers, which are also useful for volatile substances. In these cases, it is necessary to assess the payload of these instruments, which will clearly determine the type of drone to be used.